Hi guys, and welcome to another video of Didum TV. And senyoritas, mga titos and titas. Yes. So, titang-tita ang dating natin for today dahil sa i-unbox natin. We're doing an unboxing video nitong natanggap ko na package recently, and when it came in the mail, wala ako. Kaya naman super excited ako na mabuksan nito and to try it out. Ayan. So, I guess that you are excited kung ano yung i-unbox natin for today, and it's this one. Ta-da! Yes. It's Young Living Essential Oils. I've been seeing a lot of this in my timeline and in my newsfeed, kaya naman I asked about it. Sobrang daming benefits. I saw na it's really relaxing, it's good for headaches, it's good for those who may mga tika, dun sa mga hirap makatulog. So, I think that in my case, I want a room na medyo, mabango and relaxing, and also I get headaches a lot of time nowadays dahil sa work, sa weather. So I'm looking for something na nakaka-ease nung headaches, kaya naman I think that this is the perfect one. Ayan. So I guess yung mga titas and mommies dyan, alam niyo na kung ano ang laman nito because I see a lot of this. Well, i-unboxan natin para makita naman ng iba kung ano ang laman. So that's it guys, and nabuksan na natin ang ating essential kit from Young Living. This is the diffuser and these are the essential oils. So we have the teas, we have the RC, we have the peppermint, we have the lavender, and lemon. So, iti-try natin this tonight at gagawa tayo ng relaxing blend. I'll show it to you in a bit, okay? guys for my unboxing video for today. And there you go, the essential kit from Young Living. So we actually have a group of oilers. So I just met them and they give out tips, blends, and marami silang sinishare, especially for newbies like me. Kaya shout out sa inyo dyan. And to my friends who also encouraged me to buy this one. So yun lang. And for more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell para malaman nyo if I have a new video. That's it for now and thank you for watching.